Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the TPMS on your Hyundai Ioniq. First, make sure all your tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, which you can find on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. This is a crucial first step to ensure an accurate reset. After adjusting the pressures, you'll need to drive your Ioniq for about 10 minutes at a speed exceeding 15 miles per hour. This allows the system to relearn the new tire pressures. For some Hyundai Ioniq models, a manual reset button is available. You'll typically find this button located beneath the steering column or in the glove compartment. To use it, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, press and hold the TPMS reset button. Keep holding it until the TPMS indicator light on your dashboard flashes 3 times, signaling that the reset process has begun. Many Hyundai Ioniq models feature an automatic TPMS reset system. After ensuring all tire pressures are set correctly, simply drive your vehicle. The system usually requires a driving cycle of 20 to 30 minutes at a consistent speed, typically above 25 miles per hour, for the sensors to recalibrate. During this drive, the TPMS warning light on your dashboard should extinguish on its own, indicating a successful reset. If the TPMS light remains illuminated after attempting these reset methods, don't worry. First, double-check all your tire pressures once more to ensure they are precisely at the recommended levels. Also, visually inspect each tire for any signs of damage or slow punctures. If the light still persists, it might indicate a faulty sensor or a more complex system issue. In such cases, it's best to consult a certified Hyundai technician for a professional diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.